So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Today we cover our mock test question series part 1, Introduction to Industry 4.0 and IoT. In this video, we will provide you some question and you have to answer it in 5 seconds. So, let's start our question first. Which type of sensor system shows oscillations before reaching steady output? So, these are the options: zero order system, first order system, second order system, linear system. So, your time starts now. And the answer is C, second order system. Now let's go to question number 2. Which device is not a transducer? So these are the option: microphone, wire, speaker, antenna. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, wire. Now let's go to question number 3. Which type of sensor responds to both magnitude and orientation of input? So these are the option: scalar sensor, passive sensor, analog sensor, vector sensor. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, vector sensor. Now let's go to question number 4. In a Zigbee network, which node is responsible for initialization and maintenance? So these are the option: router, and device, coordinator, sensor. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, coordinator. Now let's go to question number 5. IEEE 802.15.4 provides the framework for which layers? So these are the option: MAC and PHY, IP and TCP, HTTP and SSL, FTP and DNS. So your time starts now. And the answer is A, MAC and PHY. Now let's go to question number 6. How are passive RFID tags powered? So these are the option: internal battery, solar panel, inductively by the reader, manual activation. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, inductively by the reader. Now let's go to question number 7. Bluetooth networking is primarily based on. So these are the option: mesh, piconet, star, bus. So your time starts now. And the answer is B, piconet. Now let's go to question number 8. Z-Wave overcomes dead radio spots using. So these are the option: network slicing, subnetting, healing, partitioning. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, healing. Now let's go to question number 9. In the IoT analogy, the trunk represents. So these are the option: ARM model, applications, communication protocols, user interfaces. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, communication protocols. Now let's go to question number 10. What is the function of the registration interface RI in core? So these are the option: user login, assign MAC addresses, encrypt data, register IoT resources. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, register IoT resources. Now let's go to question number 11, which is not a valid message type in COAP. So these are the option: CON, NON, RST, ECHO. So your time starts now. And the answer is D, ECHO. Now let's go to question number 12. Core is an IP based IoT solution standardized by. So these are the option: Zigbee Alliance, Bluetooth SIG, IETF, Wi-Fi Alliance. So your time starts now. And the answer is C, IETF. Now let's go to question number 13. Sensor calibration is used mainly to remove repeatable error. True or false? So these are the option true and false. So the answer of our 13th question is A. True. Now let's go to question number 14. Which statement is not correct about wireless HART? So these are the option. It is license free. It is incompatible with legacy devices. It uses IEEE 802.15.4. It reduces cost of device placement. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. It is incompatible with legacy devices. Now let's go to question number 15. The first industrial revolution was driven by. So these are the options: electricity and assembly line, steam engine and railways, semiconductors, artificial intelligence. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Steam engine and railways. Now let's go to question number 16. The automotive industry is the conventional application area for. So these are the option: robots, precision agriculture, nursing, space exploration. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Robots. Now let's go to question number 17. A depression is different from a recession because it involves. So these are the option: higher investment, shorter duration, lower unemployment, greater damage, and longer duration. So your time starts now. And the answer is D. Greater damage and longer duration. Now let's go to question number 18. In manufacturing, which system act as the nervous system? So these are the option: SCM, ICT, energy monitoring, HR planning. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. ICT. Now let's go to question number 19. Emerging markets are expected mainly in. So these are the option: developed countries, developing countries, polar regions, zero population nations. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Developing countries. Now let's go to question number 20. A key principle of lean production is. So these are the option: only automation focus, financial outcomes, customer perspective, higher inventory. So your time starts now. And the answer is C. Customer perspective. Now let's go to question number 21. Just in time is one of the pillars of lean production along with. So these are the option: Kaizen, Jidoka, Kanban, TPM. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Jidoka. Now let's go to question number 22. First step in 5 steps of walking a value stream is. So these are the option: leadership team, walk and discuss value, focus on one value stream, schedule follow up. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Walk and discuss value. Now let's go to question number 23. Fundamental building blocks of a smart business model include. So these are the option: marketing campaigns, customer values and processes, warehouse locations, stock market. So your time starts now. And the answer is B. Customer values and processes. Now let's go to question number 24. Attributes of a smart business model include. So these are the option: value proposition, revenue streams, technology, all of these. So your time starts now. And the answer is D. All of these. Now let's go to question number 25. Big data analytics in smart factories can. So these are the option: generate knowledge, reduce storage, eliminate sensors, increase paperwork. So your time starts now. And the answer is A. Generate knowledge. So thank you friends for watching our mock test question part 1 series. So we will meet in next video. So thank you friends for watching our video.